السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته. مرحبا بكم أصدقائي مرة أخرى في فيديو جديد. اليوم سنتحدث عن التعابير المهمة داخل القسم. فماذا يمكن أن نقول داخل القسم؟ مرحبا بكم. لكن قبل ذلك لا تنسوا الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل الجرس ولايك إذا أعجبك الدرس. The beginning of the lesson. بداية الدرس. Good morning everybody. Good morning everybody. صباح الخير جميعا. How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? How are you today? كيف حالكم اليوم؟ Today is very cold, isn't it? Today is very cold, isn't it? اليوم الجو بارد جدا، أليس كذلك؟ I'm your new English teacher. I'm your new English teacher. I'm your new English teacher. أنا مدرسك الجديد للغة الإنجليزية. I will be teaching you English this year. I will be teaching you English this year. I will be teaching you English this year. سأقوم بتعليمك اللغة الإنجليزية لهذا العام. I have got 5 lessons with you each week. I have got 5 lessons with you each week. I have got 5 lessons with you each week. لدي 5 دروس معك كل أسبوع. Let's begin our lesson now. Let's begin our lesson now. دعونا نبدأ درسنا الآن. I hope you are all ready for your English lesson. I hope you are all ready for your English lesson. أتمنى أن تكونوا كلكم جاهزون لدرس اللغة الإنجليزية. It's time to begin. Please stop talking. It's time to begin. Please stop talking. سنبدأ الآن. من فضلكم توقفوا عن الكلام. Close your book. Close your book. Close your book. أغلق كتابك. Who is absent today? Who is absent today? Who is absent today? من الغائب اليوم؟ Why were you absent last Sunday? Why were you absent last Sunday? Why were you absent last Sunday? لماذا كنت غائبا الأحد الماضي؟ During the lesson. خلال الدرس. Pay attention everybody. Pay attention everybody. انتبهوا جميعا. Open your book at page. Open your book at page. افتح كتابك في الصفحة. You have 5 minutes to do this. You have 5 minutes to do this. لديك 5 دقائق للقيام بذلك. Look at activity 5. Look at activity 5. انظر إلى النشاط الخامس. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. كرر من بعدي. Are you with me? Are you with me? هل أنت معي؟ Do you understand? Do you understand? هل تفهم؟ Say it again please. Say it again please. قلها مرة أخرى من فضلك. Come in. Come in. Come in. ادخل. Go out. Go out. Go out. اخرج. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. قم. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. أجلس. Come to the front of the class. Come to the front of the class. تعال إلى مقدمة القسم. Show me your pencil. Show me your pencil. أرني قلمك. Get into groups of 4. Get into groups of 4. كونوا مجموعات من 4 أفراد. Would you mind switching the light on? Would you mind switching the light on? هل تمانع في تشغيل الضوء؟ Who would like to read? Who would like to read? Who would like to read? من يود أن يقرأ؟ Your time is up. Your time is up. انتهى وقتك. Be careful. Be careful. كن حذراً. Any questions? Any questions? أي أسئلة؟ Raise your hand. Raise your hand. ارفع يدك. Say it in a loud voice. Say it in a loud voice. قلها بصوت عالي. Good. Excellent. Well done. That's great. حسن. ممتاز. أحسنت. ذلك رائع. Your marks will get better if you practice more. Your marks will get better if you practice more. ستتحسن علاماتك إذا مارست أكثر. Good try, but not quite right. Good try, but not quite right. Good try, but not quite right. محاولة جيدة لكن ليس صحيحا تماما. The end of the lesson. انتهاء الدرس. It's time to finish now. It's time to finish now. حان وقت الانتهاء الآن. That's all for today. You can go now. That's all for today. You can go now. هذا كل شيء لهذا اليوم. يمكنكم الذهاب الآن. Pack up your books. Pack up your books. Pack up your books. احزم كتبك. Sit quietly until the bell goes. Sit quietly until the bell goes. اجلس بهدوء حتى يدق الجرس. Do you follow me? Do you follow me? هل تتابعني؟ Hang on a moment. Hang on a moment. انتظر لحظة. We have an extra 5 minutes. We have an extra 5 minutes. لدينا 5 دقائق إضافية. Remember your homework. Remember your homework. تذكر واجبك المنزلي. Do the next exercise tonight and we'll check it tomorrow. Do the next exercise tonight and we'll check it tomorrow. قم بالتمرين الليلة وسنتحقق منه غدا. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. أراك غدا. Have a good holiday. Have a good holiday. عطلة سعيدة. Form a queue and wait for the bell. Form a queue and wait for the bell. قم بتشكيل قائمة انتظار وانتظر الجرس. Try not to make any noise as you leave. Try not to make any noise as you leave. حاول ألا تصدر أي ضوضاء وأنت تغادر. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye everyone. إلى اللقاء جميعا. كان هذا درسنا لهذا اليوم. أتمنى أنكم قد استفدتم منه. نلتقي في فيديو آخر. إلى اللقاء.
you.